Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday and I am Damaris, and tonight I just wanted to show you these nails that I got from Marmalade Nails with a collaboration with OG Nails LA or OG LA Nails. I'm not really sure how to say that, but I will leave a link as to where for both companies actually in the description of this video. But I am going to show you the smoky red nails that I got from them. They are gorgeous. They are custom fitted. You send them your sizes. You size up your nails. You send them the sizes, and they send it back to you. These nails are reusable, and I'm just gonna show you how I apply them now. The box came with everything that you would need. They came with the adhesive strips. They came with nail glue, a cuticle pusher, and a buffer, which I actually buffed my nails before I started this video, and they also even came with an alcohol swab pad for you to swab your nails to make sure that they were nice and clean before applying, the faux nails. So this was a really good buy. I think I am very happy with these nails. They're absolutely gorgeous. When they originally came out, they came out to land just in time for Halloween. I got mine a little bit afterwards, but I could not be more satisfied. I got 2 pair and they are reusable. They're red smokies. I always wanted those bloody, crazy looking nails, and I think that these are just absolutely perfect. And they're red, so it's actually pretty good for the holidays too, right? So this is just me putting on these nails. Yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. I buffed my nails earlier, did that whole alcohol swabbing, and since they were already pre-sized, they were pretty easy to actually get on. I use the adhesive strips because I don't like using the glue on the reusable nails. If the nails are easily disposable, glue doesn't really bother me, but if they are not, if they are reusable nails, then I would much rather use adhesive strips. So that's what I did. All right, so my nails are nice and done, and as you can see, there it's like the smoky, super red, and they were the small stiletto shape. They're very shiny. They're a lot shinier than I thought. I knew that they would be, they wouldn't be a matte finish to them, but they are so shiny. I love them. They're gel nails. They're reusable. I could not be more satisfied with them. I'm really happy to wear them around. I get a lot of compliments, so Yeah, I would definitely say I don't think that they're up anymore, but again, keep an eye on this. This will be another company to keep an eye on because I'm pretty sure that they will be doing a lot more collaborations to come, with a lot more of the, more luxe type of nails. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching Damaris every day. I am Damaris, and enjoy.